Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. I'm so excited that you have decided to join me today as I will be sharing one of my mini enchiladas recipe. My enchiladas have evolved throughout the years with many ingredients and better skills, but today I will share my regular to-go-to enchilada recipe. This video is dedicated to Aspen Zimmerman, who requested how to make the perfect enchiladas in the comments. Aspen's aunt used to make amazing enchiladas, but sadly is no longer with us. Aspen, I could never compare to your aunt's amazing enchiladas, but I hope that you can develop your own recipe with all the love and memory of your aunt. Food and recipe is so important, especially when we lose a loved one, because if you have the recipe to make their food, it can feel like they're giving you a warm hug. I hope my enchiladas can at least make you feel warm and comforting inside. I invite you all to comment how you make your perfect enchiladas. Also, stay tuned to receive more details about my giveaway. I hope you all enjoy, especially you, Aspen. Now, throughout the years, my enchilada recipe has evolved. I started off with just the store-bought sauce, and then I've also used those dried chilies and made my own little concoction like you see here. I've always used Cubanelle peppers, Poblano peppers, and Serrano peppers. I know that this is not a traditional Mexican enchilada, but this is my recipe. I find that roasting everything in the pan first gives it so much flavor. Another way to do that is to also grill it, but I find that this is an easy way just to go ahead and get all those delicious flavors all in one pan. My pan started at a 2 with Annatto oil and my favorite avocado oil. Bumped it up to a 5 so it can get nice and roasted, and then turned it down a little bit to get the chicken in, and again roasted the chicken. I'll cook the chicken through and get some color in it, and then boil it with chicken stock so you can get more flavor. Feel free to use any meat that you want. I chose to use the chicken thighs. It is also tender and delicious. Moving on to building our sauce. I highly recommend that you use annatto oil because it gives it so much rich flavor and the deepest red color for your enchilada sauce. I removed the annatto seed from the oil and just cooked the onions for about 4 or 5 minutes, let them sweat out, and then added my garlic, my cumin, and also my chili powder. Always look at your sodium level depending on which product you use. Mine was pretty low, and so I felt it was okay to use half a cup. And those are my chipotle. They are pretty spicy, so if you like a little spice, I would just use 1. If you don't like spice at all, just leave it out. I've cooked my chicken at a medium high, and it's been about 10 minutes, and then I think it was 5 minutes just with the chicken stock so that it can get nice juices. You see me breaking it up here so that when I'm ready to shred, it'll shred faster. Make sure to use your chicken juice for the enchilada sauce. Make sure to let this sauce cook down for 20 to 30 minutes. I was rushing, everyone was getting hungry. They smell the enchiladas and they went from not hungry to super hungry. So what you want to do is go ahead and strain the sauce before you let it cook down. You can eat it either way, but you will see it will take all the lumpiness from all the fibers from the peppers, and you'll have a very smooth enchilada sauce. Now I use both flour and corn tortilla just to show you. Usually I do get the flour one, not only just because we're used to it, but the corn tortilla always breaks. And I know that some people fry it first and then they roll it up, but I tend to avoid doing that. So even with the sauce, it worked out a little easier, but they still break. At the end of the day, the flavors were on point, so there was no complaints for me. I was the one who ate all of the corn tortillas. Feel free to add beans or any other ingredients or herbs while you're wrapping your tortillas and make it your own. I use Mexican cheese for the corn tortilla wrapped enchiladas, and then the regular cheddar cheese with the flour enchiladas. And with the last batch I made, I used both Mexican cheese and the cheddar cheese. I made 19 enchiladas in total, which I easily could have portioned equally and got 20 out of it. I used about 2 pounds of chicken thighs, so if you double the recipe within the meat, you can get about 40 enchiladas. The sauce was plenty, so you wouldn't need to add any more sauce. The extra sauce would cover all 40 enchiladas, wrapped up tortillas. This is a leftover enchilada sauce. Like I said, it's kind of chunky looking since I didn't strain it, but I'm just going to add a little bit more chicken stock and cook it down and strain it. I am super excited to give my first giveaway in celebrating my 300 plus subscribers here on YouTube. Yay! But please know that this is not a sponsored giveaway by YouTube or Amazon. Now let me go over some of the rules. You have a chance to win one out of the 4 $25 gift certificate card to Amazon. There will be 4 separate gift cards and the winner cannot win more than once in this giveaway. How to enter? Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel publicly. You must be 18 years or older and live in the United States. Comment your favorite part of this video and you must include the word enchilada. You must have an email address and the winner will have to provide an email address to be able to receive the gift card via email. So you'll see here, this is the next day. I strain it, take away all of the seeds and skin from the tomatoes and peppers. You'll see here that it's pretty liquidy, but you'll see cooking it down for 20 minutes will thicken the sauce. The other day I only cooked it down for 10 minutes, so I never got its full 20 to 30 minutes. And then if you find that after 20 to 30 minutes it's still thick, just add a little bit more of cumin and a little bit of chili powder to make it a little thicker, but you should be fine. As you can see here, nothing goes to waste. That's the leftovers from just straining the sauce. I just put that in the meat because it has a fibrous meat texture and I didn't want to lose all that flavor. That's how I just repurposed the skins of the tomatoes and peppers. This is the next day again. I just put whatever seasoning I had in hand. Really no measurements, I just added different flavors. The only thing I did put in here that you don't see in the video is a little bit of vinegar and sazon, and when I added that it was absolutely perfect. This is nice and thick, and I just added a little bit of chili powder, not even a half a tablespoon of chili powder and cumin. And this is much thicker than earlier, but much smoother than yesterday. The giveaway is free to enter. The contest opens as soon as this video is posted. The contest closes Friday, April 29th at 10 p.m. and the winner will be randomly chosen by commentpicker.com. The winner will be revealed on Saturday, April 30th, 2022. The winner will be revealed on Sunday, May 1st. And all of these times will be Eastern Standard Time. The winner must contact me by Saturday, May 7th, or they will be disqualified. All the rules and information are in the description. Please see below. Good luck and thank you for your support.